Experience incredible sound outdoors with the Anker Soundcore Boom 2, a portable Bluetooth speaker that's now on sale. This waterproof and floatable speaker is perfect for beach days, pool parties, and camping trips. Enjoy powerful bass and crisp audio with up to 80 W of output. The Anker Soundcore Boom 2 boasts a remarkable 24-hour battery life and even doubles as a power bank to charge your devices. Customize the vibe with 8 unique RGB lighting effects that sync with your music. Plus, link 2 Boom 2 speakers together for true stereo sound. Don't miss this deal. Grab the Anker Soundcore Boom 2 at a discounted price now. Links to purchase are in the description below. Get yours before they're gone and elevate your outdoor audio experience this summer of 2025. Want the best portable Bluetooth speaker for your adventures? Look no further than the Anker Soundcore Boom 2.